I don't know if you guys can hear this in some of my videos, but I had the same problem before on one of these 3000 watt 48 volt jobs. It's this derailleur rattles, and when you go over bumps and lumps and potholes and whatnot and over rough ground, this derailleur bangs up and down. You hear that? What it's doing is this edge of a derailleur is just catching the top part of the frame. The solution to this is to knock it up one gear. I don't really want to do that because then I can't pedal at higher speeds to the speeds I have been doing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick a little bit of foam on the inside edge of that frame underneath the swing arm there, and that should cure it then. I'm not sure if you can, ideally the derailleur wants to be about there, or just slightly down a bit, so maybe I can tighten it up slightly. I'll give that a go, but it's quite annoying when you're riding along. But apart from that, all else is good. That was actually a really simple fix, guys. See that Allen key there, which holds the derailleur on. This was at 90 degrees, but what I've done is just loosened it and raised it slightly. So it's just over 90 degrees now, and it's eradicated that issue. See, it won't go up now and hit the frame. So make sure it's nice and tight so it doesn't gradually move back down again. So, but now it's not hitting the frame, so problem solved. Happy with that. Oh wow, looks like I'm fully charged. Oh yes. Let's go out for another ride, I think.